Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today we're delving into the tumultuous world of Bitcoin's price movements over the past 24 hours. It's been nothing short of a financial thriller, and I'm here to guide you through what's transpired, what might be on the horizon, and how we can best position our strategies. If you've been keeping up with my updates, you're aware I've increased my open trade at 64,000. Regrettably, that position was stopped out with a profit when Bitcoin fell to 65.2 thousand. It's a good reminder of the importance of securing profits. Remember, in the trading game, you don't want to end up where you started, especially after a costly round trip due to funding fees. Let's take a closer look at the hourly chart. Bitcoin has been navigating through what I call the blue range, stretching from 65.3 thousand to 67,000 since the 26th of September. By the 27th, we were deep within this range, peaking at 66.5 thousand before losing steam today, slipping into the yellow range. This zone from 63,000 to 63.8 thousand holds a crucial support at 63.3 thousand, rooted in historical trading volumes. Here's something fascinating. During this downturn, Bitcoin's RSI plummeted to 10.68. To put this into perspective, the last significant dip at 52.6 thousand only saw the RSI drop to 17.81. This current dip is even more pronounced, nearing levels seen during extreme market conditions like the Japan carry trade. Now, about that 63.3 thousand mark, it's not just any number. The VRVP, or volume range volume profile, indicates this is where significant trading has historically happened. It's likely to be a battleground for bulls and bears, where support could very well come into play. However, not all indicators are flashing positive signals. The money flow has turned negative today, and with that red dot on the wave trend, caution is the word of the day as it often precedes further bearish activity. So what's our game plan? I'm keeping a vigilant eye on the 63,000 level on the 4-hour chart for any signs of a rebound. Should there be an upturn, I'll consider going long. But for now, patience is our best strategy. Let's observe how the market unfolds. Thank you for tuning in. If this analysis has brought you value, please show your support with a like and subscribe for continuous updates. And see you in the next one.